Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. I want to first by talking about our webinar. We are going to start it on Tuesday. This will be the first webinar in a series of webinars, and this is the most important one, and it is how to read unusual option activity and options order paper. I was a trader on the floor for over 10 years, actually more like 11 years, and we used unusual option activity and orders that came into the pit to place trades to be bullish or bearish on certain things. There are two options. There's calls and puts. But is buying a call always bullish? In the webinar, I will help explain why it's not. Buying puts, is it always bearish? One would say yes, but institutional money has stock positions that you don't see, so it's part of the game. In this webinar, I will go over how to read unusual option activity and how I've been a successful trader for over 11 years reading this paper. Let's get on with the market profile. Market profile today, higher high, higher low, complete opposite of yesterday. And if you look, we haven't taken out the high from the other day around this 1327 level, but we did close on the high of the day. So market profile, the big traders use this for tomorrow. What areas will be critical? 1314 will be the point of control for tomorrow. This is where the most volume traded, 1314. Value area low, 1312. So the value area low is very, very close to the point of control. Value area high, where did we see sellers come in? 1320. So we saw sellers come in at 1320. We saw the most volume at 1314, and we saw buyers come in at 1312. Let's look at the daily chart real quick. A nice tail here. This is the second day of a nice tail, and we closed on the high of the day. We ripped about, I want to say it was about 8 handles within the last half an hour, maybe about 45 minutes. Closing on the highs usually means we should get more bullish activity tomorrow. If you look on the 21st, we saw it close on the highs as well. We got a little push to the upside, but we couldn't sustain the rally. Tomorrow should be interesting. We have consumer sentiment at 7:55 a.m. Okay, let's go look at the euro. Start by looking at the daily. And a lower low and a lower high. So the euro looks weak. I've been talking about trying to short the euro on any rally. Let's look at the 5-minute in the euro. Actually, what I do like to do is I trade the euro on the 24-hour session on the 240 bar, which is actually a 4-hour bar. So every 4 hours, I have to see where the bar closes. And if we bring this up and we bring it up in the cloud, it's always below the cloud, and I could have sold it here, sold it here. Risk to above the cloud, and the euro is just collapsing. Interesting to see the stock market rallying as the euro collapses. Another one I want to talk about is oil. Now, first we got to look at oil on the daily, and I did take a winning trade in oil today. So I look at oil on the daily, inside day today. Did not go through yesterday's low or yesterday's high, so doji day in oil. $90 seems a very critical level to the downside. It tested down this 90 level and then find buyers. I did take an oil trade. Let me talk about this. And let me make sure it's not on 24 hours for the euro. So now it's not. So I sold it at 90.79. It was right here as a retest to the cloud. I saw oil going down. Actually, I missed a short here. Probably wouldn't scratched out of that trade, but I sold the test of the recloud 90.79. I had target 1 at 90.56, so I got filled at 90.56. I had target 2 at 90.26, and then it started rallying. So I got filled in target 1. That was good for 23 cents on a one lot. One lot 23 cents means $230. So just because it sounds like a one lot doesn't mean it's not. And then it did rally higher. I had a stop 5 cents above the high of this bar, so 86. I got stopped at 90.86. So I took a 7-cent loser on half my position and a 23-cent winner on my other half, making it a winning trade. This is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Make sure you sign up for the webinar. If you guys need any other information, you can email sales@KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Have a great day.